the notification declaring Calangute village as an urban area is absolutely disastrous and is made absolutely with the intention to ruin Calangute, make money and destroy the pristine village which attracts thousands of tourists in Goa. Now the explanation given by the minister of that constituency saying that there will not be a municipality. Whom is he trying to fool? Is not municipality the first step? Is not urbanization the first step to it becoming a municipality? And who is he to say that there won't be increase of taxes in the panchayat area? So what is he trying to tell the people? That he's controlling everything and he wants to control the whole of Goa and ruin Calangute totally? He should learn a lesson from the Jilla elections. He scraped through. The people of Calangute are very alert. And such destructions, it is not only for the people of Calangute, but people of Goa should rise up against this. As the notification for 56 villages was scrapped by this very Chief Minister. Now yesterday on the Environment Day, the Chief Minister says that his government is committed to preserve the ecosystem of Goa. Does he not know that Calangute is a very fragile eco village and already half is ruined and the remaining half his minister is going forward? I am demanding from the Chief Minister to immediately intervene and cancel the notification without any further delay. Minister says, लोकांक उत्तर नाका आपण विचार करू कोणाक पिशे करूंक भोंवताय पयलो घराक उजो लायताय आनी मागीर फायर ब्रिगेड हाडून धांवताय ही पिशापणां बंद कर हे लोक सोंसपाचे ना तुका ह्या येता त्या इलेक्शनाक कालंगूटचे लोक दाखयतले.